Click on the link below to get price. The Caterpillar Cat S30 4G per LTE cell phone is a rugged smartphone designed for users who lead an active lifestyle or work in tough environments. With its IP68 rating, this phone boasts impressive water and dust resistance, ensuring it can withstand splashes, dirt, and harsh conditions. The device is factory unlocked, which means users can easily switch carriers without being tied to a specific provider, allowing for greater flexibility. One of the standout features of the Cat S30 is its durability. The phone is built to survive drops from heights of up to 1.8 meters, which is an essential quality for those who might find themselves in demanding situations, such as construction sites or outdoor adventures. The reinforced chassis and shock-absorbing materials contribute significantly to its resilience, making it a reliable companion for anyone who requires a device that won't fail under pressure. The display, while not as vibrant as some flagship models, is functional and provides decent visibility even in bright sunlight. The 4.5-inch screen size strikes a balance between usability and portability, making it easy to handle with one hand. The device comes with 8 GB of internal storage, which may seem modest by today's standards, but it is expandable via microSD, allowing users to increase their storage capacity as needed. Performance-wise, the Cat S30 operates on Android, providing a user-friendly interface along with access to a wide range of applications. The battery life is another notable feature, lasting a full day even with regular use, which is essential for users often away from charging points. However, the camera quality is basic, which might disappoint photography enthusiasts but is adequate for quick snapshots. In conclusion, the Caterpillar Cat S30 4G per LTE cell phone is an excellent choice for those who prioritize durability and functionality over high-end specifications. It is a rugged phone designed to endure the elements while still providing essential smartphone capabilities, making it a solid investment for adventurers and professionals alike.